Today I want to share with you an idea of how to use your subconscious mind efficiently to solve your problems and to understand how to tackle the problems you have in life more efficiently using subconscious mind. You see, most people don't use their subconscious mind. Why? Because they don't put conscious effort about using it. Why it's so, I will explain to you. Look, there is only 10% of what happens in our life, daily life, controlled by conscious mind, and 90% is controlled by subconscious mind. Now imagine what will happen in your life if you would be able to use your conscious mind to influence your subconscious mind, and in this way to get ideas, solve problems, and move forward in life much more faster by using the power of your subconscious wizard. So in this video I will go into share with you one trick, one hack, or whatever you call it, but that is profoundly influential and very powerful. And the simplest thing how to use your subconscious mind for good is while you are sleeping. So when you are sleeping, your subconscious mind continues to work. It continues to process all the information that you gathered during the day, and it uses this information to create memories, to create connections, to create ideas and new neural pathways that will help you to thrive and strive in your life. Now, when you use your conscious mind, you can influence what your subconscious mind will do and what ideas it will process during your sleep. Okay? This is a secret. This is a big secret that you need to understand inside. You can consciously influence what will happen during your night on what ideas your subconscious mind will work on. Sounds good? Now, how you can do it? If your subconscious mind works all the night on something during the day, and by the way, you know when it works on something when you have dreams about some things that are connected to your daily experiences. And also, by the way, you can remember that a lot of discoveries, a lot of things that scientists discovered in their work were not able to be done using just conscious mind, but during the day they were not able to solve it. But at night something strange happens, and they got ideas about chemical elements, about how to proceed with invention and so on. And there are a lot of evidence to this. So how to do it? Before going to sleep, 15 minutes before going to sleep, maybe 20, you need to relax, completely relax. Maybe for you it will be to listen to some relaxing music, drink a good drink a tea, mint tea, relax a little bit, lay down into your bed, take a journal, and now you need to focus on something that you want to solve, some problems that you are struggling on, something that you want to move forward on in your life, and you need to journal about this thing in details. Here's how I do it. I take a journal and I write in details about this problem and potential solutions of this problem, what So what I will be able to achieve when I solve this problem, and I put all these things down on paper. I think on paper before going to sleep, and then that's not all. After that, you say to yourself, especially to your subconscious mind, my dear subconscious mind, you were given to me by nature, by God, by universe, to thrive, to get ideas, to live my beautiful, amazing life. I'm giving you a task on this night. Make me a favor. I want you to help me to solve this problem, because with my conscious mind I was not able to solve it. Please help me to solve it during the night, and give me the answer during the night in a dream, or in the morning like an idea or visual, or maybe even sound. Give me a clue, some inspiration, how I can solve it, how I can improve my life using your power. And then stop thinking about this problem. I wrote down all these things in the journal, and then I say to myself, okay, now I gave all the power to solve this problem to my subconscious mind. I am not consciously more thinking about how it will be solved or whatever. No, I don't put more efforts to it. I relax, give up all the power to my subconscious mind, or in other terms, to my soul, because I think that subconscious mind is my soul, really what it is. It's not like some part of a brain. It's my soul. I communicate with my soul, and my soul knows all the answers that I need to know, as well as your soul knows all the answers that you need to know. And we unfortunately know how to chat in WhatsApp or use Facebook, but we don't know how to communicate with our souls, that are our most powerful, most potent and tremendous resources that we have. Okay, so now let's return back. So you wrote down everything on paper, you thought about it, you give an instruction to your subconscious mind or to your soul to help you to solve this, and now you relax and go to sleep. With that being said, you need to be prepared to record an idea that will come to you when you wake up during the night, for example, and your subconscious mind will give you a dream or some clue, some key, some suggestion that you can use to solve your problem, to improve your life. And this problem can be whatever it can be. It can be different things. And you need to be ready to record this answer in your journal, so you will not forget it. And if you will follow this simple process, and you will trust yourself, not me, because I'm just only giving you an idea. Just try it yourself. And who knows, maybe for you it will work also, as it works for me and for many other creative people that don't only rely on that 10% of conscious mind, but also on 90% of the subconscious mind. Sounds good? My name is Alex Zuzowski. Thanks for watching this video. Don't hang up, not yet. I create deep content, deep thoughts about entrepreneurship, creativity, better tools for thinking and performance for creators and entrepreneurs. And you can subscribe to my channel if you like it. And also you can grab a free resources in the description. The first resource is 15 Journaling Secrets book. It will show you how to use journaling for your personal growth. And the second free resource is 2 free modules of Conquer Procrastination Adventure course that will help you to tackle procrastination, to come to your dreams faster by using different emotional regulation tools that I described and put in this program. It's very powerful and you can go through it if you would like. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.